Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture looking at the monthly time frame. Now this current monthly candle, we saw that with this previous monthly candle it has created a higher low first of all, and then had a bounce. Now with that bounce, we saw that this current monthly candle has reached this important monthly resistance zone. Now this level where there is a monthly opening and closing, and after breaking the previous monthly high, we saw that this current monthly candle triggered liquidity and then rejected. Now with this rejection, currently the price below this also another monthly resistance level where there is a two monthly opening and closing. As the prices started to drop from this level, we could see that gold is coming down back to this daily support level on the lower time frame. As what is dropping is likely to drop, that's the law of trading. Now if we look at weekly time frame, we see that the price is doing exactly as expected according to the analysis. The previous week we saw a weekly pin bar, and the price has triggered that liquidity zone on the weekly, created this long week candle. Now this current weekly candle, we saw that after going up, the price failed to create a higher high. Instead, we saw that the market started to drop. Now as we see that there is an imbalance in this market, this is the previous resistance line on gold, and also this is a support level of this weekly doji. And what I think that we could see this week, the price is breaking this low and then feeling that imbalance, testing this support resistance as support, and then we can expect the price to continue to rise to the upside. Now looking at daily time frame to see overall picture, we see that from the daily, this is the daily candle that has also triggered liquidity crossing all these daily high, and then we saw closed as a long bearish engulfer, followed by last day of trading week a middleman. So this middleman is a continuation pattern, and as a result we saw that today we saw initially the price has gone up, which is very healthy that it has a pullback to the upside. Now the sellers are selling this market from the daily. Now there are two important levels that we can look at on daily, which is a very liquidity. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, as we saw this liquidity triggered, there is a movement to the downside. Now we could see that with this movement, the price highly likely will break this low where there is high liquidity, or even coming back to this daily 20 EMA. What I think that gold may break this low to this 20 EMA, or even breaking the swing low to create an overextended market, and from that zone we could see that gold again bouncing to the upside towards its local uptrending market structure. So with that respect, we can expect now gold to come back down to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the intraday 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price already separated from 10 and 20 EMA, and in this local time frame we see the price is creating series of lower high and lower low. Now we saw that there was a break of a structure during the New York session early today, and with that break of a structure the price has tested this 20 EMA and crossed completely to the downside from this bearish engulfer, which is in fact a continuation pattern. Now this current candle, we see that there is forming a doji, and we could see that the price slowly breaking down with this candle, or after the next one we can expect gold to come back down this one, or breaking this low to this daily 20 EMA before bouncing off. So as we are running a very successful trade on this zone on gold, I will be waiting for another entry. As you can see on the lower time frame, if we look at 15 minutes and 1 hour chart, we can see that gold is maintaining typical bearish market structure with this impulse consolidation, creating a series of lower high, and then we can expect another drop. Now this is where I will be waiting for another entry. As you can see, gold is maintaining this bearish structure. Any kind of liquidity gap from the resistance line will give us an entry opportunity on gold. So as soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. Let us know what's your setup on gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.